Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel an Airbnb reservation and request a refund. Step 1. Open Airbnb and access your tips. Open a web browser and go to the airbnb.com or strips, or just simply sign into your Airbnb account if you haven't already one. Find the reservation you want to cancel. Step 2 is to start the cancel process. Click on reservation and select contact host. On the next page, tap change or cancel. Select cancel reservation and tap next. Step 3 is to select a cancellation reason. Choose a reason for canceling your booking. Tap continue and provide a brief message to the host explaining your situation. Step 4. Review and refund details. Airbnb will display a refund amount based on the cancellation policy of the host. If everything looks correct, click yes, cancel to confirm a cancellation. Wait for your refund. Refunds are usually processed within 7 days to your bank account or payment method. You'll find that won't receive the refund within this period. Contact Airbnb support through the help center. The refund amount depends on what host cancellation policy like flexible, moderate, or strict. And that's how you can cancel an Airbnb reservation and request a refund. I hope this guide helped. If it did, please like and subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. See you into the next one.